Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google or Google Assistant on this device. So now, as we can see, this feature is turned on, and if you want to turn off, you should go launch the Google application for the first. After that, tap on the right upper corner and tap to the settings. Then click to the voice section and tap to the voice match. Now, just to turn off Hey Google feature, we should click here only once on the switcher, then just confirm our changes by click to OK. And now when we'll say the Hey Google or OK Google, we can see that this feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.